Right now we're at Blackjack, and we're looking for tanks. Basically, we're gonna make a little mini tank fort. And so we have Hailstorm, M1 Abrams, and Battle Tank. And we're gonna build our own army. We're gonna add more fireworks to them. We're gonna fuse it all together, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna see which is the best one. Chelsea's picking some rockets to add to the tanks.
I like color instead of noise.
All about color for her?
Well, you know I'm black, so.
You're not black.
Here. I don't, this one.
You can get that one too.
But what does it do?
So she got
Where do you
a
read it?
butterfly rocket. And I'm gonna pick one too, babe. And I'm picking wild geese because it sounds funny. Wild geese rockets. And you choose this one?
Yeah. Sure.
Snow and red plum rocket. Cool. Okay, so we're at Red Apple Fireworks and we're getting tanks for the tank fight. The tank war. We got this jumbo tank, which it is $2. These tank fireworks, it says they're $7. That sounds wrong, but oh no, they're $3. $3 for those. The T-Force is $5, which is a good deal because at other spots it was $20 and it's buy one get two free. But still, this is a better deal. And then the tank with reports, $6 for a 12 pack. Yeah, and we also got Hailstorm at the other spot, but it was like, I want to say it was like $17 and it was buy one get two free. These are $3 here, so we should have just came here first. So these are all the tanks. I'm gonna start gluing them right now. Okay, so all I'm doing is adding glue to the sides. And then I just grab the fireworks and put them right there. And on the other side. Alright guys, next thing we're doing is adding the fuse to it. And I just snipped a little piece of fuse off, I measured it, and now I'm just going to zip tie it together.
Alright, so after that time, next thing I do is just snip that, the zip tie, so, boom. And there you go. So now it's
It's going to be lit right there. All I did was I put the rockets in the back and they fit snug in there, in between that. And then I just added the hot glue right there. And so this one's going to be super easy.
just get all the fuse in right there. There you go. And then just, again, just snip that extra piece off. And there you have it. Here's another one, pretty easy to do. Just like that. And then snip. There we go.
Okay, so we're a little halfway done. I put some Red Apple slug bombs on here. And this one was already hooked up, so I just added rockets right there. This one's big.
Put this like firecracker. Put some little strobes on this one. Steam strobes. I put some of those whistling rockets on this one. And so yeah, that's how we're coming along. Almost done. I just need all of them together.
Go for it, babe.
Because he wants to.
Right.
Go get your shoes on, my boy. Go get school. Hurry.
Holy!
Hopefully it's in the right way.
Get away, babe.
Are you funny?
That was one tank.
Hey, Micah.